Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It is Sunday the 18th of June and it is 10 to 6 in the evening. Just had the hedge done a couple of days ago, which I'm really pleased about. He's kept the shape really nicely, just how I wanted. Weeded down the front there as well. You can see the peonies there that smell absolutely divine. As we come down here, we have just a nice fuchsia here. Because of the drought we've been having, it's only really taken off the last few days, so I've been watering. There's a little flower bud there, I don't know if you can see that. Come down here, we had some rain last night. Also been out with the hose pipe, giving it another soak. Perennial geranium there. It's just starting to rain a little bit now, which is great news. This is what we need. We have here my hollyhocks, which are looking amazing. Then my lilies, which are also scented. We come down here. These are the daylilies. Just want to show you how you can tell if they're infected. These are infected because what happens with them, they end up getting stunted like this. I don't know if I can just get this one open and show you on the inside. It's a sort of midge that gets in there. It lays its eggs, it feeds on the inside, and it just turns to mush. But some of them are okay. I'll give them a spray. Hopefully that'll help. Some more lilies there. Come down. Last of the foxgloves, which the bees absolutely love. There. Digitalis. Come down and round. This is with lily beetle damage. I don't know if you can just see two of them there. So, spray for those. I've got some spray. Need to wait till it's dry though before I can spray for those. Come round here. A little snapdragon. Self-seeder from last year. Absolutely great. This is a lupin. That needs pruning back, so that's gone over now. We come up here. Beautiful purple and light yellow lupin there. I've just been able to stake these. These are my peonies. And they smell, wow, wish I'd smell-o-vision. Smell absolutely divine. Sticky buds, which are not too bad now. Nearly on top of those. Some more scented lilies, which are great. A bit further down, delphinium here. That, I don't think I'll get any flowers off that this year. I've been making these myself. I ordered these off Amazon. These are 5mm, I think, 5 or 6mm rebar, 1 metre length. Just bend the tops over, and then you have some really sturdy plant supports that you can knock in. I'm going to paint these green, but they really do a good job, and they're going to last for years though. So they're a bit expensive, but once you make them, they will last for a long time. Just put two in here. Support these absolutely scented peonies. The ivy's doing really well, and the clematis going through there, which is great. Come down here, some more daylilies in the middle there. These are last flowers, my oriental poppy, Diane Joyce. So that will get cut back to the ground, and they should flower again this year. Another massive hollyhock there. Don't know if you can hear the rain just coming through. Some borage there. He's digging up. And get all this cleaned out. I can get some plants in there then. We come around here. This is a white peony. Also scented. Next to that is a beautiful dwarf delphinium that I grew from seed last year, which is great. A bit further down here, these are last bearded irises flowering. Nice delphinium, medium-sized one there. Beautiful electric blue. I don't know if you can hear that thunder with a little bit of rain. Another hollyhock, lupin there, sorry. This is a really pale hollyhock. I really do like that one. Really nice. This is a crocosmia. It's called Lucifer. Really nice dark red. Some more. Look at this. This is with the drought. Look at that. The flower buds have basically dried up on this, but the rest are okay. Here we have a nice penstemon. These are forget-me-nots when they're setting seed. They're the seeds. Just sprinkle those about and you'll get them coming back every year then. I'll get these thinned out. Give this penstemon plenty of room. We come a little bit further on, just so you see. Just look at the hedge from here. I absolutely love the hedge. Here we go. This was from the pound shop several years ago. Beautiful hosta. Absolutely love the flowers on that. But I love the bluey green colour. It's like iridescent. It's really nice on that. A bit further around. My beautiful electric blue delphinium, which I love. A bit further down here. These have been grown from seed. That's a lovely electric blue as well. And then we sit down here. These are my agapanthus. It's the third year of these now. We grow from seed. Keeping them in the small pots. That one's called Queen Mum. That was from the garden air show at Harrogate several years ago. You can see here. Just the rain's coming down nicely now, so I'm going to go in. If you've got any questions about anything growing in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe and like and follow. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you. Bye.